Alright, these are them little glass cabinet locks that you see on display cases and stuff like that. I just opened it. Here's a package. Keys for it look like this. And it does work. Okay, there you go. It won't come off, but it will get tighter. Alright, put your tension wrench in there. It's a little hard to hold because it's not affixed to anything. You can't really using a small diamond pick right there, just like that. It's open. Okay, there you go. Get it locked, back locked again. That easy, real quick. Have fun with it, and only use this on your own cabinets and display cases. Thanks for watching. Watch for more of my videos. See you later. Have fun.